Hello traders, before we get into this, if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with a bunch of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, you can grab it using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing FX Scalper X. So let's just go through the site, the way it is laid out. The homepage pitches this as automated MetaTrader software built to take the human element out of Forex, running 247 with what they describe as 15 plus years of verified data. Right up top, there is a 180-day capital protection guarantee, and they say they are trusted by over 10,000 traders with testimonials pulled from their private Discord. Now, here is something important to flag right away because it affects how you should read everything that follows. This product is sold as a bundle, FX Scalper X and a second algorithm called FX Scalper 4X together, for a single lifetime price. Okay, and on the site, both algos share the same guarantee, the same feature set, and the same marketing page. So as we go through the numbers, I'm going to be specific about which ones actually belong to FX Scalper X, since that is what we are here to look at. Now that brings us to the verified track record section. They show four, or actually there are more than four if you load the more verified accounts, but currently we can see four my FX book cards, all marked live. One shows a gain of 862% over 35 months, another 130% over 11 months, another 165% over 22 months, and finally this shows 40% over 7 months. And we can see that these three are labeled FX Scalper 4X. Then this particular one is labeled FX Scalper X. All right, so this is the only live my FX book verified number that is on this among these four, tied specifically to the algorithm we are reviewing. But if I should load more, I can see most of them are actually for FX Scalper 4X. Right, let me load more again, and here again we have FX Scalper X. So just only two for FX Scalper X, that and this. All right, so perhaps we can return back to this, but I can see that in this case it seems like, yeah, this is a more updated info, and the updated info now is showing, you can see updated 2 hours ago, is showing a net loss of minus 1.65%, $1,000 deposit balance 983.3, profit negative 16.7. Then as for this other account, I can see here updated 1 hour ago, deposit $1,000, the gain here 41.61%. all right, now let's move into the battle tested section, which is specific to FX Scalper X. We can see here FX Scalper X. They describe it as a single entry algorithm combining four strategies into one system, with no grid, no martingale, and a strict stop loss on every position, tested across market conditions going back to 2010, including the 2010 flash crash, the COVID shock, and the 2022 inflation spike, through what they describe as over 15,000 simulated trades. Alongside that description, they show a set of backtest statistics for FX Scalper X specifically: a win rate of 71.6%, a profit factor of 2.06, a Sharpe ratio of 3.09, and a backtest period of 15.7 years. Underneath that is an equity curve labeled FX Scalper X, dated 2010 to 2026, and it climbs to roughly 3,400% cumulative growth on the chart. So here's the distinction worth sitting with. That 3,400% figure is backtested performance over 15.7 years. It's not live trading. The actual live MyFX book verified number for FX Scalper X on this same page are these two that I have opened here. This one is showing about 41.6%. This one is showing negative 1.65%. All right. So those are two very different things: the actual life and the not life backtested performance. Okay, so now is what's keeping them in, separate in your head rather than blending them together, since a long backtest and a short live track record tell you different things about how a system might hold up with real money going forward. On platform compatibility, this one is confirmed directly on the site. It is listed as compatible with any MT4 broker and any MT5 broker. For setup, they describe a 3-step process: get instant access after purchase, install both algos onto MetaTrader using their walkthrough video, and then let the algorithms run continuously from there. On pricing, lifetime access to both FX Scalper X and FX Scalper 4X is listed at $488.88 one time. The site uses a tiered pricing structure where the price is set to rise by $100 every 200 orders. And at the time of writing, they list 53 of 200 founding member spots as sold. All right. Now, every plan includes the 180-day capital protection guarantee, which states that if your account is reduced to zero within that window, they will reimburse your lost capital plus your membership fee. The site also features written testimonials with specific personal results, things like account growth over several months. I'll just note that those are user testimonials, not independently verified figures the way the MyFX book accounts are. So it is worth treating them with a different level of weight. One thing I couldn't find is the okay, that's going to be on the page, but then if you come over to this MyFX book page, you will actually see, for those who are interested in the drawdown data, you can see that the drawdown in this case was 15.2%, and this was 11.41%. All right, well, not too extreme in both cases. So wrapping this up, FX Scalper X is confirmed for both MT4 and MT5. It is sold as a bundle alongside FX Scalper 4X and backed by a 15.7-year backtest showing a 71.6% win rate and a 2.06 profit factor. But the actual verified live track record specific to FX Scalper X, as shown on this page, one of them covers, let's just go there again. So you can see one of them covers 4 months, and let's see which one specifically covers 4 months. The one that is negative covers 4 months, while the other that is positive 40% covers 7 months. All right. So this is not financial advice. If you're considering this, I'll separate the backtest numbers from the live numbers in your own head. Ask them directly for a longer live track record specific to FX Scalper X and get clarity on drawdown before committing capital. No system fits every trader, so the due diligence is on you. That is the review, and let me know if you want me to take a look at another expert advisor and what it is. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.